Business used to mean juggling 10 different subscriptions. But in 2026, the unified stack is the only way to truly scale without breaking your workflow. If you're tired of data silos and platform hopping, you need to see how one operating system is replacing everything from your CRM to your AI assistant to keep your entire team in one place. Alrighty, folks, so we are here at Bitrix24.com. It's your ultimate workspace. You can get everything done. This is for the ultimate productivity for your task at hand. Especially good if you've got small, medium, large style business working with other people, other employees. It's absolutely perfect for efficiency. HR automation, they got sites and stores, all those projects that we did mention, as well as actual collaborations. A lot of people love it and are raving about it, so you cannot ignore it. It was shortlisted in 2026 from Capterra, which for CRM, for task management, for customer service. They've also got a really great YouTube video about why people are really interested in why and how you can get easily started for free, because it is free forever for unlimited users. You can get involved. You don't have to actually pay to start, which is absolutely fantastic, because a lot of the particular services, similar to Bitrix24 that I have personally reviewed, you do need to pay something to get something efficient out of it. But you can get some great use out of it without having to pay. But you're probably going to feel like you just love it so much that you're just going to want to upgrade to the next tier. But again, get started with the link in the description. So it's going to be replacing your SaaS solutions. It's extremely easy to migrate your data from other systems, because that's also like a really big headache as to why a lot of people might be against something like this. And of course, it's going to be integrated seamlessly into all your apps and services. Trusted by over 15 million, let me repeat that, 15 million users worldwide. And again, I really want to emphasize that 100% flat fee. You've got the cost, they're predictable, and there's no per user pricing involved with it. I love the fact that it's super easy to communicate with your team, whether it's in the chat section or video calls. But a feature that I really do love is the actual employee tracking, because it's really important. It's not about being like a police state and being able to track everyone's movements. It's simply a matter of just being open and transparent. You're being transparent with your employee, and your employee is being transparent with you and with the rest of the team, because it's all about being able to see their efficiency and being able to go, okay, this is working, this isn't. How do we reassign to optimize and get the best efficiency out of yourself and your team based on those results? Too often in workplaces, it's a thing of the past where people will maybe be assigned a 5-hour shift to do maybe a 2 or 3 hour job or something like that. Or maybe they're assigned a job that takes 5 hours, but they're only given 1 hour to finish it. And when they don't finish it in time, they get into trouble. It's not fair. It does away with all of that. So your effort is going to be recognized no matter what level you fall into within the actual team. Getting the task reports from, so being able to track like that employee workload and performance is extremely good. And another major free feature is the Copilot. So this is basically the AI powered assistant. It's powered by chat, or it can also be powered by another AI system of your choice. It gives you those ideas on demand. It's got your creation for text editing and sales automation, which is also extremely important. You're never going to have an issue with space either. You get up to 100 terabytes, which is just absolutely ridiculous. You can get that maximum automation happening. And trust me, once you have that maximum automation happening with your sales, your task workflows, your businesses, and all those processes, you're going to be like, wow, this is incredible. So for users, you can get over 10,000 users. And for an extremely large business, you can still get some work done here. It's said to improve task completion rate by 26%, employee engagement rate by 32%, and lead conversion by up to 43%, with other reviews and success stories as well. So wouldn't you want to improve your business by 26%, 32%, and 43% in all different sectors? I mean, I certainly would if it were me and I had a large scale business. I'd definitely be looking into how to continuously make things more achievable. It is on Google Play. It is on the App Store, which is fantastic. You've got all your basic socials, and the actual chat support, customer support is really good. You can actually see it here, and it's very thorough. You can provide your work email, your regular phone number. You can provide your own name, company name, your country, and explain what your goals are to get that proposal. So it's not just some generic, annoying AI botted chat thing. No, this has been fully tested. I've tested it out. It works. It's very thorough, and it's great to see that they have it there ready for you to access super easily. Bitrix24 is essentially giving you that central hub for all your needs within this area. It really does eliminate tab fatigue, meaning you don't have to have like 100 tabs open with different software, bouncing between them, getting confused, not having them synchronizing together. Now, one tab, that's it. Just one tab you need, the tab that we're looking at right here, chats and calls. Everything's here. It's got everything. Messenger, Copilot, collabs, feed, the calendar, the documents, the boards, the drive, the webmail, your different tasks and projects, CRMs, your bookings, your inventory management, your marketing, sites and stores. Everything's here. List of the employees here. The calendar, which synchronizes with everything in place with your employees that everyone is able to see. So it just makes things so much easier. You don't need to have external cloud solutions anymore. You've got these built-in HD, high-definition video calls, instant messaging, all that easy stuff. It's all within the app. As you can see, all the chats are here. Communication does truly happen where the work happens, inside the chats, inside the projects, and the tasks. From lead generation to lead capture to actually assigning that lead onto somebody, that can all be done very efficiently and easily in the CRM booking system. As we can see, all of the deals are implemented here, so they're all organized. This is the new deals that are coming through. The total amounts. What's the project for? It's for Evan's Goodwill. It's a website redesign, nice and simple. Then you send that proposal off. You can see where it goes to, the date, the activity. You can go for a quick chat, a quick message there, a quick phone call. Again, it doesn't need to involve creating paperwork. You've got an in progress section. Okay, so who's actually actively working on stuff right now? What is the deal for this one here for Sarah Williams' Growth Wave marketing automation setup? So as you can see, it's all here. Invoicing, everything gets taken care of. And this is fantastic because what it means in my eyes is that not a single lead is dropped or wasted as your business is actually scaling. Typically, as a business scales, you would potentially lose quite a high percentage of leads just due to inefficiencies. But actually, with Bittrex 24, that efficiency stays consistent throughout the scaling, I should say, of the business, which is a really good, strong, and profound thing. Because just because a business scales and gets bigger, it doesn't mean that you should be dropping off clients or leads. They all matter. And the CRM is great because it stores the entire communication history. Obvious things like calls, chats, logs, the tasks, everything is totally organized. This truly allows for a 360-degree view of every single client you've got on board. So you're not going to be neglecting or prioritizing anyone. You're just doing things in a real AI-focused, efficient manner. And this is just so important. Why? Because it keeps a personal touch, even though you're scaling. So again, normally at scale, you start to lose personal touch with clients, but not anymore because every client is going to feel valued through the automation system. Now, if you were to go ahead and try and do this without the automation, good luck scaling your business and not having to hire like a huge number of employees who, quite frankly, the odds are they're not going to do as good a job as the automation on Bittrex 24 is going to be doing. Do you understand? You can keep that same level of employees. You can keep that automation. You can keep that client satisfaction, bring back that client retention, and get word of mouth. Your business is just going to keep growing so organically. Now, we kind of talked about the Copilot at the start here. It's your AI assistant. It's free. You can ask a question about anything. We can go into ask a question here and just say, how is the business improved? I might wake up and go, okay, let's just have a bit of a check-in. Are there some things we can make a bit more efficient? It seems there isn't an update in the chat history to provide a detailed analysis of how the business is performing or identify specific areas for efficiency improvement, but that's fine. So what do they need from us to be able to do it? They want key performance metrics or recent updates about the business, info on current processes or workflows, and any specific challenges or bottlenecks. So you might be noticing something, maybe some clients have been a bit unhappy about some stuff, but you can put it all into this specific Copilot AI, and it's going to be able to give you the solutions immediately. Because trust me, this isn't just like another AI chatbot. You can take big meeting summaries, drop them in here, and it's going to be able to dissect them and break them down for you super easily. It's going to be able to do things like dissect long chats. It's going to be able to work through things like phone calls. It can transcribe phone records as well as compose emails suitable to send off. It truly is an integrated assistant that understands you and your business. I would not recommend Copilot. It can even automatically create checklists. It can also highlight key actions from comments as well. So overall, folks, with Copilot and with Bittrex 24, you're saving a lot of time. You're doing things a lot more efficiently. You've got your employees tracked. You can see their progress. You can actually reward them for genuine work they're doing. People are clocking in, they're clocking out. You're not getting wasted efficiency and wasted time. It's not the way a business should be. Employees, in my opinion, if they're doing the extra work, if they're doing the extra effort, instead of being ignored, they should be rewarded. And if they're, quite frankly, cutting corners or slacking off, then perhaps they need to consider finding another role or another opportunity elsewhere. And you can essentially do that and keep it all transparent within this amazing software at Bittrex 24. Ready to launch and scale with a single tool? Click the link in the description to activate your 15-day free trial and experience the unified power of Bittrex 24 today. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to like, subscribe, comment, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss out on another important video. Have a great day.